Alright, hello boys and girls, moms and dads, welcome to HeroesMart Homeschool Academy. This is 5th grade English, week number 14 and day number 2. And today we are going to be doing the grammar lesson. And we are going to specifically be talking about something called homonyms, antonyms, and synonyms. Okay, somebody say homonyms, antonyms, and synonyms. Well, what is a homonym? Well, a homonym is going to be a word or collection of words that sound alike but have different meanings. Alright? So when you have two words that sound alike but they have different meanings, you call those things homonyms. Okay? Homonyms. An example of those kind of words would be the word here as in H-E-A-R and here as in H-E-R-E. Both of them sound alike. In fact, to prove that point, let's go to dictionary. And you're going to type in the word here, right over here. Look at the IPA spelling of it. It's this one. Okay?
Here. Here.
Here. Look at the phonetic response.
Here.
Now, let's change that over to here if this dictionary is going to know what they're doing. Alright. Here you go. You see that? It's exactly the same sound.
Here.
Here. You see that? It's the same sound. So both words can be called homonyms. Homonyms. In fact, let's go ahead and try to type homonyms. Homonym. That's what I mean. Okay, homonym. All right.
Homonym.
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 So they call it homonym. Alright, so look at it. So both words are going to be called homonyms because they sound alike even though they're spelled differently and they have different meanings. Now, how do we know that? Well, you are going to look at the context in which both words are used. So for example, in the sentence, "Hear, O Israel, the Lord your God is one." Well, you know over there that it is H-E-A-R that they're talking about. But if they were to say, "I will be here tomorrow," well, you know they're talking about H-E-R-E, okay? The words here and here are homonyms because they sound alike, but they have different meanings, all right? In other words, it's going to be light and light, okay? Light as in turn on the light, and then light as in the burden is light. All right, another thing we want to talk about right now is going to be synonym. And a synonym is going to be a word that is similar in meaning to another word. So for example, short and close, those are synonyms. Begin and start. Tired, exhausted. Rude, impolite. Okay, all these things are synonyms. Then what about antonyms? Well, a word that has an opposite meaning to another word is what we call an antonym. And it's going to be the exact opposite. So look at words and opposite like short, open, begin, and tired, energized, rude, polite. Okay, so they're going to be opposite words over there. So what you're going to do right now is to do a research and find out 3 words in the homonym category, in the synonym category, and in the antonym category. Moms and dads, you're welcome to help them out with it. Just do a Google search and type in homonyms. You're going to see plenty of examples over there, which you can write down in your notepad and on your notepad and say, well, I know what homonyms are, and I've actually come across certain examples of those things before. All right, will you do that for me? I trust you will. Well, I want to thank you, boys and girls, for joining me today. Remember, God cares about you, and so do we. Bye.
I'll be your hero's buddy, and as you study with heroes.